Hello guys, welcome back to Xplotty FPS. If you're encountering the 0x80070643 error while installing or downloading Windows updates, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Navigate to this PC and then go to the C: drive. Open the Windows folder and locate the Software Distribution folder. Right-click on Software Distribution and select Delete. Note: you may get an error if the Windows Update service is running. Step 2. Stop the Windows Update service. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and choose Stop. Step 3. Delete Software Distribution folder. Again, return to File Explorer and try deleting the Software Distribution folder again. It should now delete without any issues. Once deleted, go back to services.msc and right-click on Windows Update again. Then select Start. Step 4. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter, if needed. If the error persists, press Windows key, type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter: reagency/enable. To verify the status of the recovery partition, type reagency/info. If it shows that Windows RE, recovery environment, is enabled, you're good to go. Now that the issue should be resolved, try downloading and installing the updates again. Your system should now proceed without the error code 0x80070643. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to enable notifications for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.